song that I never shared while I was writing all the show songs. But I'll share it now. What am I supposed to say? What am I supposed to do? Normally I just ask you, but we haven't spoken, we haven't spoken. Would you say what you always say? It's better if we tell the truth. But look at what the truth has done. Your heart is broken, your heart is broken. And what good is, I didn't mean to. When I see you looking